How to change language on Facebook. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on Facebook, whether you want to switch to your preferred language or try something new. I'll walk you through it step by step, so let's dive right in. First things first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. You can also use your web browser and go to facebook.com as well. Now, once you're on your profile page, simply tap on the three horizontal bars which you can find in the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it. Now go to settings and privacy. Once you tap settings and privacy, you will find an option that says app language. This will take you to the language settings page. Now you'll see a list of available languages. Choose the one that you want to use. You can search it if it's not immediately visible or scroll through the list. Once you've selected your language, Facebook will automatically save the changes and your Facebook interface will switch to the new language right away. And that's it, you've successfully changed the language on Facebook.